Move over apes, ducklings just outsmarted you. Maybe calling someone a birdbrain shouldn't be an insult. Newly hatched ducklings surprised scientists with the capacity to understand the concepts of same and different, an ability previously known only in more intelligent animals such as apes, crows, and parrots, according to a study published Thursday in the journal Science. We believe the ducklings are the first species shown to do this right after birth, said Antone Martinho, a doctoral student at the UK's Oxford University Department of Zoology and the study's lead author. We now think that many or most bird species that imprint could probably also do it. Ducklings usually learn to identify and follow their mother through a process called imprinting, which can occur in as little as 15 minutes after hatching. Imprinting is a powerful form of learning that can allow ducklings to follow any moving object, the scientists said. The study marked the first time an animal, including apes, learned such concepts without reinforcement, Martinho said. The other animals that have demonstrated this ability have all done so by being repeatedly rewarded for correct performance, while our ducklings did it spontaneously, said Alex Kacelnik, also of Oxford University's Department of Zoology and a study co-author. To conduct the experiment, the ducklings were placed in an enclosed training area where various shapes in different colors and sizes were dangled in front of them. During the first round of training in the shapes experiment, a duckling would chase 2 red pyramids, Martinho said. In the second round, it would need to choose to follow either 2 red spheres or a red cone and red cylinder. Even though neither of the shapes in the test were the pyramids the ducklings originally viewed, they chose the 2 spheres because, like the 2 pyramids, they are 2 objects of the same shape. Similarly, ducklings trained with a red cube and red rectangular prism, 2 differently shaped objects, preferred the cone and cylinder, because both pairs were composed of different shapes. A second experiment did the same thing for color, where every shape presented was a sphere. The key point of our experiment was that the pair of shapes the ducks saw and learned in the first round never appeared again, Martinho said. The study is important because it shows animals not normally believed to be particularly intelligent are capable of abstract thought, Ed Wasserman of the Department of Psychological and Brain Sciences at the University of Iowa wrote in a related article in the journal. It also shows very young animals can display signs of abstract thinking and that those behaviors can occur without explicit rewards or punishments, he added.